Good morning, dear students of class 8. Welcome to this English online learning class. Today we are going to further learn direct and indirect speech. Students, in our previous class, we had taken up direct and indirect speech, some general rules. So let us have a quick recap of the class which we did yesterday, and then we'll add on to our knowledge further about direct and indirect speech. So the direct speech is a message of the speaker which is conveyed or reported in actual words without any change. Now, indirect is when this message of the speaker is conveyed or reported in another person's words, in our own words, we can say. Now, we'll do one example. Radha said, I am very busy now. Now, if we change it into indirect, Radha said that she was very busy then. What did you notice? All inverted commas, quotation marks have been omitted in indirect speech. And the sentence ends with a full stop. Another thing that we noticed is conjunction that is added before converting direct into indirect statements. And pronoun I has been changed to she. And even the verb I am very busy, am has been changed to was. So the present tense is changed to past. And another thing, adverb now has been changed to then. So we did yesterday one tip on direct and indirect speech, that is conversion rule as per the reporting verb. So when the reporting or the principal verb is in past tense, all present tenses of the direct are changed into the corresponding past tense. Let's see one example. He said, I am unwell. Indirect, he said. That here is optional also, that he was unwell. So am has been changed to was. Now, if the reporting verb of the is in the present or future tense, the tenses of the direct speech do not change. Now, he says or he will say, I am unwell. So, it won't change here. He says or will say, he is unwell. Only pronoun has been changed, he and am to is. Fine. He says, he will say, he is unwell now. Now, the tenses in indirect speech is not changed if the words within the quotation mark talks about universal truth or habitual action, which do not change. Universal truth does not change, or habitual action. Now, just see this example. They said we cannot live without water. Now, if we change it to indirect, they said that we cannot live without water, because they are talking about universal truth or a habitual action. Now, coming to another conversion rule of present tense in direct speech. Simple present tense changes to simple past. I am happy, she said. She said that she was unhappy. So simple present has been changed to simple past. Now present continuous changes to past continuous. I am reading a book, he explained. He explained that he was reading a book. Another thing, present perfect changes to past perfect. She said, She has finished his food. He has finished his food. She said that he had finished his food. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Direct. I have been to Gujarat, he told me. He told me that he had been to Gujarat. Now, let's see another conversion rule of past and future tense. Simple past changes to past perfect. He said Ira arrived on Monday. He said that Ira had arrived on Monday. Now, past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Just see, direct, we were living in Goa. It is in past continuous. They told me. They told me they had been living in Goa. So it has changed to past perfect continuous. Now future changes to present conditional. He said, I will be in Kolkata tomorrow. Indirect, he said that he would be. Will change to would be in Kolkata next day. Tomorrow will be next day. Now future continuous changes to conditional continuous. Just see, she said, I will be using the car next Friday. Now the indirect will be, she said that, conjunction will be added. She, I, instead of I, she will be changed to would be using the car next Friday. So we stop here, students, and in the next class we are going to take a practice of direct and indirect speech. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care, and please note down all this in your English notebook. And if you have any problem, any queries, you can post that in your WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.